You are welcome, great people. Today I am dealing with the solution to all the problems of your twin top washing machine dryer when it is not spinning. The spin dryer is not working, or is working not fine. Like, share this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video. Stick with me in this video and learn all the problems and possible solutions in this video. Make sure you watch to the end so that you can learn everything. We've given you solution to the washing top problems and every possible problem that you might have. If you haven't seen that video, just watch this video. But today, the focus is on the spin dryer. Spin dryer has its own problem, and this has been giving many people headache. For example, on the comment section in my previous videos, I've seen various questions asked about the spin dryer, and today we are going to provide solution to all the problems. Problem number one: when the spin dryer is not working at all. You turn the power on, you turn on the timer, but the spin dryer just remains quiet, not working. What are the possible causes for this? Number one, lack of power supply to the electric motor that controls the spin dryer. Right? So what should you check? You open the back, check all the wires that no wire is cut or no terminal is loose. Apart from that, if there is a fuse controlling this motor alone, check. Or you check the main fuse. But if the main fuse is intact, that means the problem is not with fuse. We know if the main fuse is intact if the washing tub is working, but only the spin dryer not working. Now, another culprit for that problem is the door switch. Right here, hidden inside this compartment, is a door switch, and that door switch controls the operation of this spin dryer. As soon as you open the door, the spin dryer stops to ensure you do not get injured by the moving spin dryer. And when you close it back and the timer is still on, the spin dryer begins to spin in high speed once again. Now, most of the time, because of long use and the wear and tear of machine, the door switch might be slack and the metals are not making proper contact. For that reason, the circuit that brings current to the control motor of the spin dryer is broken and power cannot reach the spin motor. Thus, the spin motor will not work. What is the solution? Solution is that you open this upper compartment and then you try to fix or mend the door switch. If the door switch is badly damaged, you can replace the door switch. That is the solution to the first problem when the spin dryer does not work at all and the washing tub is working. Problem number two: when the spin dryer is working but it's not spinning fast but continues to work and spin slowly. What are the likely causes of this problem? One, water retention. Water might be retained inside the compartment here, and for that reason, if water is there, the spin dryer will be moving inside water down there and makes it to become slow. Another possible problem is perhaps a piece of cloth has entered into the spin dryer. You see the space in between the spin dryer. If you shift it like this, you see the space. If the clothes are not well locked in and a small piece of clothes such as socks, gloves, handkerchiefs can actually get into that place, and as the spin dryer is moving, it's hooking it up or breaking it, making it not to work fast as it should. Solution. Possible solution is to open this upper compartment and remove the spin dryer to inspect the inside. Or possibly, if you can peep as you bend this spin dryer sideways, You can peep and inspect whether there's any piece of blockage around it. Now for the water retention is also related to the third problem, and the third problem is when water is not draining out. Third problem is water is not draining out of the spin dryer. What is the solution? The solution is to open the back and check the drain valve. Open the drain valve and begin to inspect from the drain valve to the hose that connects to the spin dryer. You can get a thick electric cable and pass it in, let it go in and ensure that it's not blocked. That will help you to know that there is no blockage, and if there's any blockage, remove it. Any of such blockage can be a piece of clothes, small piece of clothes such as socks, gloves, handkerchiefs, and so on. So when you do that, water will be able to get out of the spin dryer freely, and water retention problem will be solved. So that is the solution to the problem of water retention and the spinning slowly of the machine. For you to learn how to remove the upper compartment, you can just watch this video. We have explained and demonstrated how to open this upper compartment to you so that you can remove it yourself and then have access to the spin dryer compartment. Problem number 4. The spin dryer is smelling. Obviously, when you have this problem, you've been using the machine for quite a long time. Several months, some years. And what happened is that the inner compartment of the spin dryer is dirty and you need to wash it. Washing it is the solution to that problem. How do you wash? If you are able to open the upper compartment and then remove the spin dryer, you wash it carefully. If not, you can pour warm water with disinfectants and detergents mixed together in the hot or warm water, pour it into the spin dryer, then close it up and spin the machine so that the hot water can actually drain the dirt out of the compartment. That is the solution to the smelling problem of the spin dryer. Problem number 5. When your spin dryer is making noise, you lock it but continue to make noise. This is a minor issue that you can quickly fix by opening the machine up and inspect the clothes that you have put inside the spin dryer. So what you need to do is to bring out some of the clothes again, bring them out and put them back, rearranging them, ensuring that they are balanced all around the spin dryer. To ensure that none is higher than the other. One side is not higher than the other. And you push them down very well. Then you lock it down with this seal. So you put this plastic seal and use it to lock it. Press it on all corners to ensure that one corner is not higher than the other. If the clothes are not up to the full, you still press the plastic down to where the cloth is. Press them down very well, close it back and continue spinning, and the problem will be solved. Problem number 6. When the spin dryer is not spinning according to the time you set. For instance, you set 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but the machine spins for very short time, like only 1 minute. That problem lies with the timer, the spin dryer timer over here. Possibly the spin dryer timer has a problem. Perhaps some dirt have clogged in, blocking the device from operating properly, or perhaps water has managed to enter and water is causing a shorting of the terminals. So in that situation, you need to clean the terminals and all areas around the timer. So you need to remove the knobs, open this back compartment, and then inspect the timer. Now, if you have done all that and the problem persists, in that case, you need to change the timer that controls the spin dryer. And that will be the solution. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things in this video today. I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video like this. See you in my next video. Bye.